R290 Top Discharge Heat Pump Water Heater. Installation Guide. Step 1. Install the T and P valve. First, take the T and P valve out of the accessory box. Then wrap approximately 11 turns of TFE tape around the threads of the T and P valve. Align the T and P valve with the valve port, then rotate and tighten the T and P valve, making sure the outlet faces downward. Step 2. Install the drain outlet and drain pipe. Take the drain outlet and drain pipe out of the accessory box. Wrap approximately 10 turns of TFE tape around the threads of the drain outlet. Align the drain outlet with the condensate outlet, then rotate and tighten it, ensuring the outlet faces downward. Next, attach the drain pipe to the drain outlet, allowing the pipe to hang naturally down to the floor drain. Step 3. Install the fittings and piping. First, we need a straight connector and an elbow connector. Wrap at least 11 turns of TFE tape around the threads of the straight connector. Then align the straight connector with the unit's water outlet and rotate to tighten. Then wrap at least 11 turns of TFE tape around the threads on the other end of the straight connector. The TFE tape should be wrapped in the opposite direction of the thread's rotation. Align the elbow connector with the straight connector and tighten it. If necessary, use a wrench to help tighten it. Similarly, wrap at least 11 turns of TFE tape around the threads of the other straight connector. Then align the straight connector with the unit's water inlet and rotate to tighten. Then wrap at least 11 turns of TFE tape around the threads on the other end of this straight connector. Then take another elbow connector and align it with the straight connector, then tighten. Use a wrench to tighten it. Wrap TFE tape around the threads of a male threaded connector. Align it with the elbow connector and tighten, applying PVC cement to the inner wall of the connector. Rotate the connector to the desired direction for piping. Apply PVC cement to the outer surface of a section of PVC pipe and insert it into the male threaded connector. Then take another male threaded connector and wrap it with TFE tape. Align a brass check valve with the male threaded connector and rotate to tighten. Then take another male threaded connector and wrap it with TFE tape. Align it with the other end of the check valve and tighten, then apply PVC cement. Insert another section of PVC pipe, coated with PVC cement, into the male threaded connector. Then take another male threaded connector wrapped with TFE tape and attach it to the other end of the PVC pipe. Rotate and tighten the Y strainer onto the male threaded connector. Take a male threaded connector and attach it to the Y strainer. Take a PVC pipe coated with PVC cement and connect it to the male threaded connector. Then take a ball valve coated with PVC cement and connect it to the PVC pipe. Take a PVC pipe coated with PVC cement and connect it to the other end of the ball valve. Attach a male threaded connector wrapped with TFE tape to the PVC pipe. Align the three-way valve with the male threaded connector, tighten it, and make sure the valve outlet faces upward. Take a male threaded connector and attach it to the other end of the three-way valve, then tighten. Take a PVC pipe coated with PVC cement and attach it to the male threaded connector. This serves as the municipal water inlet. Then take a male threaded connector wrapped with TV tape and attach it to the outlet of the three-way valve, tightening it. Insert a PVC pipe coated with PVC cement into the outlet of the three-way valve. Then install a PVC elbow coated with PVC cement onto the PVC pipe and connect another section of pipe after the elbow. Attach a male threaded connector wrapped with TV tape to the elbow connector on the unit's water outlet. Insert a PVC pipe coated with PVC cement into the male threaded connector. Add a PVC elbow coated with PVC cement and connect a PVC pipe. Step 4. Install the mixing valve. Attach two male threaded connectors wrapped with TV tape to the mixing valve. Connect the mixing valve with the attached male threaded connectors to the three-way valve and the water outlet. The installation of the heat pump unit is now complete.